some maple syrup, but not Jenny's. That stuff is terrible.
Well, son, if you get the new Slayer tree stand, you're guaranteed to get a beer.
Thanks, Dad.
Anytime, son.
Wow, this is so easy to put up. These are so high. I can see the glaciers and the Rockies from up here. Eh? Yeah! 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 Hey! I shot my first deer! Yeah! Yeah! Holy cow! It's a 12-point buck! I can't wait to eat this for dinner. This is the best deer I've ever had.
Yeah, it is. Slayer tree stands bringing the best looking and tasting deer.
Hello, all you hunters out there. We aren't like normal tree stands. Ours are at the cheapest prices, starting at $150. The seats are more comfortable, and we have higher quality gear to keep you safe. Jack, these stands make you happy. So come on down to Slayer's Warehouse store, located at 1490 Hunters Avenue in the heavily forested Edmonton, Alberta, or call 780-876-2495 for more information.